Now I can see all my details about my Bauer compressor anytime, anywhere. My name is Helmut Lechner and I will show you the Bauer B-Cloud. Here I can see the filling status of my cylinders. The air quality of my gas measurement system B-Detection. I'll get a report when the cartridges are done, then I can pre-order them via the system. I can give a Bauer service partner access to my data, so he'll be able to offer me a perfect service. My computer saves all the data for me and sends me PDFs by end of the month. It's super safe. The B-Cloud is end-to-end encrypted via a server in Western Europe. So now I'll go and pick up my cylinders.